Today I would like to show you how to take a selfie. Well, I hear you say, but we always take selfies. All the time. Okay, but today I'm going to show you how to take a selfie, not with a smartphone, but with a large format camera. The most difficult thing to do when you're taking a selfie with a large format camera is to focus on yourself. So you'll need a simple light stand. This light stand is your nose. Now you can go behind your large format camera and focus on your nose, which is the light stand. And now you can go where you'll be standing, take your selfie, and take a reading. The other thing you need is a measuring tape. And you're going to attach one end to your large format camera and measure all the way to your nose, which means the light stand. Of course, it's not over yet. Who's gonna trigger the camera if you're standing in front of it? So I resorted to using this little fantastic device. You can probably get on eBay for a couple of $1,000. No, I'm kidding. I don't know, 20 bucks. This is, it's just got a spring inside, and the spring activates the timer. And all you have to do is to insert your cable release in this little box, and then start the timer. Then measure the distance between the front of the camera and your nose, which should match precisely what you measured before. And use this to make a mark on the floor, exactly where your feet are going to stand. Now you can safely take the dark slide out of the holder. Your very sophisticated timer is wound up, and you just need to let it roll and go stand exactly where the light stand was a minute ago. Now with your feet right on the mark, you just stand in front of the camera after triggering the fabulous cable release, assume a natural pose, and wait for it. Done.